Good morning, students. In this, we define when a study working principle of wind power plant. Learn the application of wind energy. Wind energy is the form of solar energy, which is produced because uneven heating of the earth by the sun. Renewable energy source, clean environment. विंड एनर्जी सोलर एनर्जी का एक अनदर फॉर्म है. इट्स कन्वर्ट फ्रॉम हीट टू इन ओशन व्हेन द वेपराइजेशन वेपर rise above in the sky, then we should get the wind in the form. It is a renewable energy sources and it's clean the environment for selling, grinding grains, electricity generations, etc. Working principle of wind power plant. Let us study the wind energy into the electrical energy by wind turbine wind power plant. In this, the fans rotate by the wind flow and the hub blades are turbine rotor. Behind the turbine, in the engine house, there is a generator. This is called nacelles. The nacelles mounted on the tower. Understand? The wind flow from the in front of the blades. So the rotors connected main shaft. Its place is the generators. There are two gears. One is the bigger and second. The generator rotates and it's produce the electricity and the electricity generated. This schools or this electricity we use the schools hospital. Parts of wind turbine, blades, power plant, 2 3 blades. Wind will coast rotate and which turn with the rotate and hub mounted on the main shaft. Its rotates of blades and it's rotate the generator armature. So there is electricity provided. Due to the rotating the armature, the electricity will generate. Gearbox, input shaft to output shaft motion. Shaft is connected to the generator. Generator rotates and electricity produce. It's come from wire battery and is directly houses. Application of wind power plant. Application of wind power plant is produced electricity with the help of electricity house, industries, schools and water pumping, farming in rural and urban area. We use the electricity power plant. So I hope you can understand